want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, man. Today I got some clothing. You know what I'm saying? Keep them clothed for the one time, my brother. We always got to stay with the drip. It's a little chilly out today, so we went ahead and just we comfy boys today. You know what I'm saying? But been trying to get fits off on Instagram, so if you don't already follow your boy, make sure you do. Also follow Privé. Now with this package, I ended up picking up Pleasures. I mean, a lot of you guys are pretty familiar with Pleasures. I love a lot of their garments, just because I think it's a little on edge, but also just fire in my opinion. Big fan of the brand, been wearing it really since they started. My favorite thing about it is honestly the hoodies hold up very well. Pretty much every garment that I've gotten from Pleasures has held up very well. I mean, within the last few years. I think I've had most of my garments for like 3 or 4 years and they're solid. It's just great quality products. So that's why I like it. And again, it's just a little on edge, something different. Surprisingly, I don't see people wear Pleasures as often. So I'm gonna do a quick try on haul for all this stuff. First item we got here is the Pleasures Forest tee. Now I gotta put this on to show you guys, but I'll make this quick just so I can go to the try on. You already see what it is, man. This was just, had to get this shirt. We got another lime green. Let's crack this bad boy open. This is where tons of product. So I got a black hoodie, got a blue hoodie, again with the mask, had to rock with it. Very solid cut and sew right here. You guys can see it's embroidered and then there's a nice little cut and sew. They do a great job, man. Like some stuff they outsource and some stuff they just make in-house and I really rock with it. And the last little piece I got was something loud, something different. Nice little cheetah pant garment. So let me try these on for you. Okay, so these are the Eclipse cheetah pant. Again, all this stuff is Pleasures. You see this nice little embroidery right here. And like I said, these are just definitely something different. That's what I love that Pleasures executes so well. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We could pull out like some Jordan 3s, something simple. I ain't really trying to go all blued out though. We ain't blue face, baby. This is something I wear more of like a beat down Jordan of mine with because it's not necessarily tapered at the bottom. It just kind of goes over the shoe and you guys know I really dig that style. So this is for sure something that I would pull out. Some simple white cement 4s. And that's a very just casual, comfortable, but also a very different fit. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? I really love it. And we got to get to this tee right now. Just the irony of this t-shirt, man. If you could save yourself, you could save us all. Simple as that. Wear a mask, man. I know things are changing up. COVID ain't went nowhere, man. Until it does. Wear your mask, man. Wear your mask, bro. Come on, bro. It ain't that hard to wear your mask. You know, wear your mask. No, I really thought this shirt was just hilarious. Like, I love just the way it looks, but it is just a simple black tee. I believe Pleasures uses All Style for their tees, and it's simply just screen printed, and I think it's cool, man. It would have actually been really hard if they would have embroidered like the Pleasure. Could have definitely like made this more fire than it already is, but I rock with it. Just a cool little t-shirt. This next shirt I got here is the Forest tee. I thought this was gonna be really fire, and it is. I love the way the design looks. Obviously, just being here in Colorado, I rock with the pine trees. It just kind of, it was one of those things. It's a really unique shirt to me, and it looks extremely fire in person. You guys can even see it goes from the front to the back. Now, one thing I want to mention about Pleasures, like I said, I know exactly what manufacturer they use for the t-shirt. So I personally would size up. Like, I'm saying that just because I could honestly wear a large, but this is an extra large. You guys can see how it fits. But when I wash this, and if you want to throw it in the dryer, which I know a lot of people like to do, you're not supposed to dry your clothes. You should know. For the convenience sake of just throwing it in the dryer, I would size up because it is going to shrink just a little bit. But if you hang dry, it'll be fine. This is my routine for clothes. Like when you order any streetwear brands, I highly recommend not drying your garments, just letting them hang dry and then getting a steamer, steaming them bad boys, which obviously I didn't do this because it's brand new, but steam it and it'll get back to like that nice soft. Because you know when you hang dry sometimes and it gets like crusty, steam it and that'll go away. But yeah, man, this is a super fire tee. Let's move on to the next. I keep saying all this stuff is fire, but it is. I love the way Pleasures design stuff. So I'll get a little closer to the camera for you guys so you can see. This one says, Pleasures cares about your existence. And it's just super live. I ain't gonna hold you, man. If you light skin, you brown, you mocha, this color just be hitting on our skin tone, bro. Straight up. Like if you wanna know right now what will pop on your skin, is this. I'm in Colorado. I'm the lightest I will be, you know what I'm saying? Once the sun comes out, get that little Bahama tan, you know what I'm saying? I need to relax, but this hits. This is actually a different material that they don't typically use. This one said it was made in Mexico, so I'm not even sure what this garment is, but this is also an extra large, and you guys can just see the aesthetic. Again, I'm 6'3", 200 pounds. You can see how it fits me. Very nice, very relaxed. Some of you guys like your shirts super tight. Some of you guys like schmediums. I like mine pretty just casual, free-flowing, nothing too crazy. Here is another super hard piece, man. Just banger after banger after banger. This is the Slate Loveless hoodie. Again, like I said, you have that nice embroidery. This is a size extra large. Fits great. Kind of, not necessarily oversized, but just kind of a wider fit. You know what I'm saying? More of that like a streetwear look. I'm not exactly sure where this is made, but it is a tough piece. I love the slate blue. Really just pops. This is kind of a versatile piece. I feel like there's a lot of different shoes that I could decide to go with on this hoodie specifically. But man, definitely a good look. Something that, for example, I'd probably just wear the hoodie, maybe like some black stony pants, and I could really just pull out some like Shadow 1s. I could pull out those Tokyo ones, the Cement 4s, OVO 12s, Concords, dude, a lot of shoes. I'll give you guys a little closer action right here on the embroidery. Damn, I should have steamed this. Definitely steaming, bro. Steaming is clutch. Like, I've fallen in love with the steamer in the last 2 years. But like I said, you can see it's just a little bit more of like a wide look. But what you think, man? A go or a no? And then here's the last piece. Now again with the hoodies, I would honestly just go true to size with these bad boys. You can kind of tell between the quality difference of what was pre-planned and what's just kind of like on the go, in my opinion, if that makes sense. I feel like they came up with the design, made them really quick, and boom, versus the other one, which was cut and sew, probably outsourced, which I don't know if some of y'all care about that. It's just nice to know if a brand is using like blank garments or if they're using cut and sew. And I like that Pleasures uses a mixture of both in a very high quality garment. Like, I love this hoodie because it doesn't shrink, it washes really well, and it just holds up. Like, I've had a few independent hoodies for at least like 6 years and they're in phenomenal condition. You can't ever go wrong with like a simple black hoodie, but again, I love the mask concept. Now with this one, I'm not gonna hold y'all. It looks like it's a little off centered, which I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. You guys feel what I'm saying? Like, it looks like the print is up here, which I don't know if that's what it's supposed to be. It doesn't look bad, it still looks great, but just something I noticed. This could be what they wanted to do, but wear your mask, family. There you guys have it, man. That is a little Pleasures haul. For the most part, if you want to pick up any Pleasures, I would recommend just going true to size. You could never go wrong with that. If you want to preserve t-shirts a little bit longer, maybe go up a size in case they do shrink. But true to size is always a safe bet with this brand. It does not run small. If you guys want to pick up any of these items, you can use my code MikeTheCompass on prevay.com, get you a nice little discount. Also, if you guys enjoy these like try-on hauls, let me know what brand should I wear next. Maybe even go on Prevay and look at some brands and tell me what you'd like to see in the next video. I'm gonna hit Prevay up and see if maybe we can do like a little giveaway where we give you guys like some money just to buy some clothes. So let me know if you guys wanna see that. Make sure to hit this thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, follow Prevay on Instagram, and stay tuned. But this is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you on the next one. Run it.